Good morning. So I had an idea a few years ago, and I made a wood stove from propane tank. Not my idea, of course. It's not the first time someone's done that, but I'll show you how I did it, and I'll just talk you through it here a little bit on how it all worked out. So. Here's a 30-pound propane tank. So this is what I used, one like this. So what I did is I ground these tabs off here, took this off, and then I took the valve out. And of course, being a propane tank, this was almost full. You can't open the valve and drain it, right? Because it's a special valve in here. So you need to either press that with a or hook it up to your barbecue and make sure it's drained or whatever. Make sure this tank is empty, I guess. And before you unplug the or unscrew the valve, is what I'm trying to say. So you can, like I said, screw it up to your barbecue and drain it, burn all the gas out of it, make sure it's all good, there's zero pressure in there. So then you'll be safe by taking this out. And then before you go near it with a spark, fill it up with water. If you fill this with water and cut a hole in it here like I did, you will have no issues, right? So anyways, I filled this one up with water, and I took a grinder, cut a square hole for the door, and then what I did then is I took another tank, any size, this is a 20, and I cut the bottom out of it. Again, I took this, this is only tack welded on here, and then I cut the bottom out and a little bigger, and that was my door. Now the piece I took out of here, that was with this hole in it, I used that as a baffle. So I took that and I cut my 4-inch pipe here in it. Then I took this piece and I put it inside and put it up against the top here and just tacked it. And then that kind of created a bit of a baffle so that the wood would last longer in this thing, right? So that worked out good. And then of course I just put 4 legs on it, or 3 legs, sorry. 3 legs, more easier to get it level. And then I fired up, and it worked out great. It's a great little stove. I didn't bring it with me because it was far away. I was over in Western Canada, so I got material. I'm going to be building some more later. I got material. I'm going to be building some more later, but anyways, I just want to share that with you because it's a great idea and it's easy to do. I got a welding machine, small Canadian Tire welding machine. You can pick it up for like, I don't know, 150 bucks or probably even less. Cheap welder with some small rods and 110. So basically anybody could do this if you watch a video and learn how to do a little bit of welding. So it kind of come natural to me as part of my trade. So I've been welding for a long time. Anyhow, this thought that would be good information for somebody that's got a little small shed or something that wants to make a little bit of heat. You don't have to go buy a wood stove. You can easily make one.